morning everyone, it's Richard from Scott Country International. Got a phone call today from the farm here that I've not been to in months, that foxes are being seen during the day, so it's time to get back out. It happens to be the longest day of the year today, so it's going to be a late one for me. The equipment I'm going to be using tonight out foxing is the Thermion 2 XP50 PRO from Pulsar and the HikMicro Condor CQ50L. This is the one with the 50mm lens and the 640 sensor. I've been using this a lot for deer stalking recently. I absolutely love it. So I'll get some good footage for you tonight. In my waist bag also I've got the fox collar there, so I plan to put that out in the area where the farmer's seen the foxes coming in from. So I'm going to go up the hill and set up and hopefully knock a few over, just thin out the numbers because I think it's getting a bit ridiculous up here at the moment. And I've also got the CT1 Recon sticks with the hog saddle. I've had these for a while and these are a sturdy bit of kit. So join me up the hill where hopefully I get to see a few foxes, get some good footage for you and do the farmer a favour. I'll speak to you all later. What I should mention is I just wanted to check zero on my rifle before I headed out, and this is an old biscuit tin that I'd left in the dash of the truck to heat up, and whilst it wasn't dead on the centre, it was good enough for me. I did feel the gun bounce a wee bit when I pulled the trigger off the top of the truck. The Ina mount system on the rifle absolutely spot on, so delighted with that. So I'm walking up the hill and it's really a hot muggy night. It's going to be a test for the Condor, and the first thing I did bounce was this fox, and I recorded it on the other side of the hedgerow making a quick exit. So the next thing I see is this hare on the farm track, and you can see the 640 by 512 sub 20 millikelvin sensor on the Condor doing its work even in this hot muggy night. I'm just running through the colour palettes here, so white hot, black hot, fusion and red hot. All the different colour palettes on offer on the Condor, back to white hot again. And you'll see the quality of the sensor here with the definition on the hair. Yes, it is close to me, but just look at that. Absolutely phenomenal picture quality. And I let the hare go on its merry way into the hedgerow. So that's me just set up. I've got the collar just at the bottom of the hill there. And it's just a waiting game now. It's still really light. I expect it to be light for a while, but you never know with the collar at this time of night. It might bring something out, so a wee bit of patience needed. Here we go. So literally, as I was just talking there, this fox popped out, spotted through the Condor, and it was time to go onto the rifle. So just a reminder, while we're watching this fox through the scope on the rifle, this is the Pulsar Thermion 2 LRF, so that's the range finding XP50 PRO thermal scope. This is the top of the range model from Pulsar. It is a 640 by 480 sub 25 millikelvin net D thermal sensor and 2 to 16 times magnification with picture in picture as well. And it now offers ballistic software in the application for your shooting out to distance. So as you can see, this was my first fox of the evening and a very straight forward shot at 133 metres. Fox down. Genuinely can't believe that. Just I was doing the introduction to being here at this spot. There was a fox 150 yards out. I shot it at 133. Unbelievable. It's just down there in the dip. But I think there's another one up the back, so I'm just going to hunker down and be quiet now. Unreal. So unfortunately no other foxes did show at this point, so I decided to make a move. Just come over the hill and spotted this fox. You'll see me range finding it here with the Condor, and it turns out to be 260 yards away, so just unlucky not to get down beside it. And I spot this roe deer to the left, so I'll go down and get some footage of it. So here's the deer.
It's actually a roebuck. You can see the antlers on it there, showing through the thermal. So I just stood for a while to see how close I could get to it. I'm about 60 yards away here. And again, just running through the different colour palettes for you. Look at that red hot one. I find the red hot function on the Condor really useful, especially when out stalking and it's really warm conditions just now. It can sometimes, the red hot function can just tell you the difference between a roe deer and a rock, rather than just the white hot. If it's an animal, it tends to shine red hot more than just the standard hot rock, so a really useful function on there. And away it goes. Lovely to see. So here's the next fox I see making its way down to the farmyard, ironically coming from where I'd just been. But good to know the path it's using for the next time I'm out. I might actually just position myself at the farmyard and work out from there.
Well, that's 1:10 in the morning. I've just done another 10,000 steps round the farm. The irony is I got that fox in the daylight in the first half hour, and it's now 1:10, and I've seen foxes, as you'll see, I've seen from the footage, but our paths just didn't cross. Just one of those nights. I think there's a lot to be said for actually hanging in and about the farm, because it seems to be a crossing point for foxes, a kind of focal point for them. So next time I might just stay closer to home. But a good night. The HikMicro Condor CQ50L doing the business, and you'll see how clear the picture is when it's looking in at roe deer and foxes at distance. I got some good footage there at good distances. So the Condor CQ50L from HikMicro, the Pulsar XP50 Thermion 2, Thermion Pro, all these products are available at Scott Country. So log on to www.scottcountry.co.uk and have a look at the products on there. And I'll look forward to seeing you all again soon. I'll be back certainly at this place in the next couple of weeks, because there's plenty about. Cheers. Well, that's it for this week, folks. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and check out all our products on our website, www.scottcountry.co.uk. Next month we're at the Game Fair, so we really look forward to seeing you all there for a wonderful weekend of field sports. And I'll look forward to seeing you soon. This is Richard for Scott Country International. See you all later. Cheers, bye.